In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register fixed assets in Xero. Now this process is fairly straightforward and I'm going to guide you through each step so you can get it done in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Xero account, open up your preferred web browser and head on over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see a login section. Enter your registered email address and password and then click the login button. If you have any trouble with this step, double check that your credentials are correct and ensure that your caps lock is not turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for all things accounting related. From here, you're going to look for the menu that says accounting. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop down menu with several options. What we're interested in today is the fixed assets section. So go ahead and select fixed assets from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all of your company's fixed assets. Now on the fixed assets page, you will see a tab marked draft. Click on that tab and it will display a list of assets that are in draft form. These are assets that have been recorded but are not yet registered in your files. Take a moment to review this list. Once you've found the asset you want to register, select it. Selecting the asset will open up a detailed view, allowing you to review important information regarding the asset. This could include details like the purchase price, description, and date of acquisition. It's crucial to double check that all the information is correct because this data will be vital for your accounting records. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate and in order, you'll see an option at the bottom of the page to register the asset. Simply click on Register. This action will officially add the asset to your company's registered list, and Xero will take care of the rest. And there you have it, you've successfully registered a fixed asset in Xero. This streamlined process ensures that your financial records accurately reflect the assets you own, providing a solid foundation for your accounting needs. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your fixed assets with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more accounting tips and tutorials, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, stay organized and keep on top of your financial game.